Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at Remembering REVELL Model Kits. This is by Thomas Graham, a Schiffer book for collectors with price guide, second edition, revised and expanded. So here on the front cover we can see here some example illustrations. On the binding portion, another illustration there at the top, as well as the Schiffer logo there. Continuing on the back cover, we can see here some stock photography with the author and some family members. Another photo of the author. There is a sticker over the original barcode. And here's a little bit of description on the book. If we continue on the inside, you can see here more about the author. Title page with a stock photo. And continuing, here's our publishing information. This was originally published in 2002 with a revised price guide of 2004. Here are the contents. And there's going to be lots of illustrations, box art, and historical text that accompanies decades worth of models from REVELL, as well as collaborations with other modeling companies. As you can see here, numerous photos, lots of text, and eventually we'll get to the end of the original version, and then at around 145, we actually start to get indexes of the kits themselves up through, I believe, the 1970s. So we're continuing out through here up to the last few pages. The last numbered page is 174. You see they're finishing with the 1970s kits. Here are more Schiffer titles, if you're interested. Continuing onto the back cover as well. Now I'm trying to see here if we can see where, actually you can see even here by the coloration of the pages, where the normal color photos versus just the text index type pages are at the back of the book as well. So I'm looking through here. I don't really see anything beyond right here. Is your select bibliography on page 116. The model kits index actually starts here with the color photos, and then again continues with these pricing guides at the back. But taking a very quick look at Remembering REVELL Model Kits by Thomas Graham, a Schiffer book for collectors with price guide, the second edition, revised and expanded. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of show and tell videos. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.